Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in today's tutorial, we are going to create an amazing aesthetic Instagram quote post. So if you also want to create this and want to know about our final output, then keep watching our video till the end guys. Okay guys, so now let's begin. So here we are in Canva interface, and first of all we selected an Instagram post blank page, and now we are moving to element section, and now here we are going to search for ancient Greek warrior. Okay, so after selecting it guys, as you can see we have so many elements related to it, but we are going to select one element from photos section. So we are going to select this element from here, and now after selecting it we are going to go to edit image option and going to remove its background. Okay, after removing its background we are going to adjust it in the page. After adjusting it in the page, again we are moving in element section, and here we are going to search for this gradient that fades transparent. So we are going to select this first gradient, and now we are going to change its color to black. Okay, after changing its color, now we are going to tilt it. And now finally after tilting it, we are going to put it at the lower side, just increasing its size little bit, and now duplicating it and putting it to the left out portion. Now finally we are going to group them together. Now duplicating it and going to put its duplication just above the previous one. And why we are doing this? To create that fading effect here. Okay guys, after this again moving to element section, and here we are going to select this line. Okay, now after selecting this we are going to place it just below this ancient Greek warrior, and now after this we are going to increase its length. Okay, after this we are going to place it in the center. Finally after doing this we are going to select a circle, and now we are going to change its color to white. After changing its color to white, we are going to decrease its size, and then we are going to make duplicates of it. Okay, so first positioning it, and after this we are going to make its duplicates. So we make total 3 duplicates of it. Okay, so now we are selecting this tidy up option to align them in a line, and now moving them in the center. Okay, now we are going to make a copy of it, that means a duplicate of it. Also we are going to decrease the length of this line little bit, and now moving it to the center. Okay guys, now after this we are going to ungroup these 3 dots, and now we are going to place one dot at the one end of the line and other dot at the other end of the line. And now after this we are going to remove that left out dot. Okay guys, while we are doing this our video is flashing in your I button. So to add more creativity you can check out that video as well after watching this one. Okay guys, now we added a text box here, and in this we are going to copy this text from our notes. So simply we copied it and now we pasted it in this text box. Now we are going to decrease its size. Also guys, nowadays we are watching that you are not showing your love and support that much. So please guys, do share your love and support by subscribing our channel, hitting the like button, and also press the bell icon so that you get notified every time whenever we upload our new stuff. And also share our valuable stuff with those who need it. So please guys, keep on supporting. Okay, now after this we are going to highlight some text here. So we are highlighting here winners, win, and don't afraid text with the yellow color. Now we are changing this win W to capital. And now finally, after changing it, again we are going to highlight this whole word. Okay guys, so it's done. After this, we are going to create some magical effect here. So for that, we are moving to element section, and from here we are using this orange blur circle illustration. So we are going to select it, and afterwards we are going to change its color to red. And now finally we are going to place it just behind this ancient Greek warrior. So to create that super heroic magic effect. Isn't it looking so adorable? So you can also create these kinds of effects by simple steps. Okay guys, so now we are again moving in element section, and here we are searching for Instagram icons. So we selected this Instagram icon, and now we are placing it at the upper left corner. Okay, after this we are going to select a text box from here, and now in this we are going to write something, and which is your @Insta user name. Okay, after this we are going to decrease its size and going to place it just after that Instagram logo. Okay guys, so I guess so it's done. After this we are going to group these two elements together. Now we are going to add some more icons from Instagram. So we are going to select first the save icon. Then we are going to select this comment icon. Then we are going to select this like icon, and finally we are going to select that share icon, this one. Okay guys, now after this we are going to change all these icons color to white, and now we are going to place them in the proper places. We are going to place them in the same way, the way in which we are going to watch them in the Instagram platform. I know guys, this process is little bit time consuming, but believe me, to adjust them properly in the page, it is going to give you the same vibe which you used to watch in the Instagram. Okay, now adjusting this save icon as well. After adjusting these all icons, we are going to shift them little bit to the lower side. Okay, so guys, I think it's done finally, and now we are going to download it. And after downloading, here we have our final post. So what do you think about this amazing post guys? Let us know in the comment section below. We would love to read them. So that's it for today's guys. I hope you enjoyed it and got a value here. Now we will meet you in next video. Till then, bye bye and take care of your lovely selves.